what's in summer. Summer usually is hot, so we will oftenly use clear heat. If a patient has diarrhea with more blood, tenesmus, abdominal pain, 白头翁汤. The king herb 白头翁 is mainly for diarrhea, and you should know that. Next one, pain in the epigastric area, bitter taste, difficulty, painful urination, and smelly leukorrhea, 龙胆泻肝汤, liver problem. And next one, we go to other organ. Sores around the mouth, with painful urination again, with sensation heat in the chest, irritability, 导赤散. 赤 means red heat. So pay attention on this formula. Sores around the mouth, 导赤散. And the other one, toothache, gum bleeding, pain extend to the head, 清胃散. Remember we mentioned it before. In the spring there is one 平胃散 in treat dampness. So this one is 清胃散, clear stomach decoction, which is for clear heat in the stomach related to the gum, lower gum and upper gum. Upper gum is the stomach, lower gum is the large intestine. Review the foundation again. And then if you got toothache and then gum bleeding, 清胃散. Right, the next three formulas all treats fever, irritability. But if you have 4B symptoms like forceful pulse, high fever, profuse sweating, severe thirst, 白虎汤. I know you know it. And the other one is deep-rooted boils, dry mouth, dark urine, nose bleeding, insomnia, or dry, deep symptoms. 黄连解毒汤. As we know, 解毒 means resolve the toxins. So deep-rooted boils shows the toxins in your body. 黄连解毒汤. The last one also treats fever, irritability, and jaundice, tongue ulcers, painful eyes, epigastric focal distension, flush face, constipation, 泻心汤. Remember to compare 泻心汤 and 导赤散. 导赤散 is more sores around the mouth. 泻心汤, tongue ulcers. Last but not least, deficiency heat. One of the formula is treating deficiency heat. Night fever, morning coolness, 青蒿鳖甲汤. 青蒿 is the famous herb for deficiency heat. Remember that. So it's night sweat, morning coolness, 青蒿鳖甲汤. That's all for clear heat. What about food stagnation? We all know holiday formulas. What's that? 饱和丸, holiday formulas. One formula that we use the most for food stagnation. And the next two is stop bleeding and invigorate blood. Stop bleeding, we don't see that much in the clinic, so we won't got test that much either. Two formulas for stop bleeding. One is 胶艾汤. For deficiency cold, uterine bleeding. The other, 槐花散 for excess heat, rectum bleeding. Hemorrhoid, 槐花散. Uterine bleeding, 脚爱烫. That's all you need to know for now. Next one, to invigorate blood for all the blood stasis. One is for blood stasis. To invigorate blood, there are 6 formulas. First 2 is for irregular menstruation, 温经汤. The name of the formula is like translated as warm menses decoction. So you know you have cold in the lower abdomen, irregular menstruation, uterine bleeding with clots, persistent uterine bleeding. The other one, also irregular menstruation with abdominal pain increased by pressure, dark uterine bleeding during pregnancy. The famous gynecology formula, 桂枝茯苓丸. It's really commonly used in gynecology disorder. Pay attention, and it's safe to use during pregnancy. The other one, 血府逐瘀汤. All the 逐瘀汤 family we should know very well. Like 少腹逐瘀汤 for lower abdomen, 生痛逐瘀汤 for whole body, and 血府逐瘀汤 for chest area, like pain in the chest and hypochondriac, fixed piercing pain, 血府逐瘀汤. And the other one, 桃核承气汤. We also need to familiar with all the 承气汤 family. They're all from downward draining, 大承气汤, 调味承气汤, 小承气汤. Here is 桃核承气汤 with 桃仁红花 in the formula. Patient with acute lower abdominal pain, night fever, we use 桃核承气汤. Acute lower abdominal pain. Think about blood stasis. 桃核承气汤. And the last 2, one is 丹参饮 for heart attack, the other is 生化汤 for retention of leukemia. Okay.